navigation cockpit home screen, from which any module in the application can be accessed. Clicking on the Prioritize Simulation Navigation button instantly takes us to the Simulation Prioritization Decision Support module. This is the Simulation Prioritization Decision Support module home screen. Clicking on the Income Navigation button in the Versus Target column takes us to the section of the screen that provides the optimization tables for all of the income simulation key performance indicators with all of the projects grouped within each table. The first table, as we can see, is the optimization table for the improvement in total revenues extracted from the results of the investment cases for each of the projects. The details of all of the columns in this optimization table will be discussed in the video on automated optimization in the section dedicated to the competitive advantages of the Simulation Decision Support module. As we can see, the table is initially sorted in alphabetic order, with the average and the target rows at the bottom. The structure of each optimization run is the same, and it's defined by the choices you make using these two green pull-down menus. The first choice is about the metric. We'll use the green pull-down menu, and we'll see that there are three choices. Let's select dollar change to show the dollar amount that each project would achieve of total revenues compared across all projects of the portfolio. Secondly, we need to determine the type of analysis. Again, we use this green pull-down menu. It defines the type of optimization and the name of the column that will display the optimized results. Let's select Versus Target to compare the projected change in total revenues to the target value. Notice that to direct you immediately to the appropriate column, the system color codes the target metric. You can see here in bright green. And as we scroll over, we can see that it also denoted the optimization target in gold. Therefore, the optimized results will be displayed in the column at this left-hand side of the table with the heading Versus Target. We just scroll back to the optimization table. Simply clicking on the Prioritize Navigation button immediately results in the optimized results being displayed in that Versus Target column that we just looked at. We'll scroll back and we can see this is the optimization target. The projected results are optimized in descending order, with the projects most exceeding the target at the top, the best project, and the worst performing project at the bottom. So we can see that Boston is the best project at $348 million improvement in total revenues, above the target of a $5 billion improvement. And we also notice that Minneapolis performed the worst at nearly $4 billion below the target. Also notice that Boston is the only project that outperformed the target, and only Boston and Phoenix are the projects that outperformed the average of all projects. Go back to the optimization, and if we click on this Restore button, it will restore the entire optimization table to its original alphabetic-based sequence. Let's go back to the top of the page, clicking on this Return to Top button, and it takes us back to the top of the home screen and ready to do another simple one-click optimization. This concludes the overview of the Integrator Simulation Prioritization Decision Support module.